Hi, so for this discussion board, what I would like you to do is you're going to click on the URL that is provided in the discussion assignment, and it'll take you to this board. It's IdeaBoardz. And once you get here, I want you to think about, we've been looking at the topic of government, we've been discussing it, you've been reading various materials about it, you've also been in particular looking at like selective service and such. So hopefully you have an opinion by now of whether you agree with such a concept or not. So I would like you to post a sticky note either on the left column or the right column. So either you think the U.S. should not have a mandatory service requirement, then you're going to post here by clicking on the plus sign. If you think that the U.S. should have a mandatory service requirement, then you're going to click on this plus sign. Let's say that you felt that it should not. You're going to click on that plus sign and it'll open up this little sticky note. Once you get there, you're just going to go ahead and type whatever you want to type in there. The requirement is provided in the discussion board for the length. Then you click out of it and it posts it. That's only half of the assignment. After you've posted your opinions about why it should not have a mandatory service requirement, after you've kind of supported your argument, I want you to go ahead and read other people's posts. And then after reading other people's posts, I'd like you to go ahead and vote. So you just click on that plus sign and then you say, okay, yeah, you agree with that person or whatnot. So I'd like you to go ahead and click on a plus sign for whomever you agreed with, for as many as you agree with, probably at least 2, I would say. So read at least 2 and or cast your vote for at least 2. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Thank you.